Hey there, it's Kimberly here with Knit for Brains. I did it. I finally took the plunge into the ice. So stay tuned and see what I got. Hey there, Kimberly here with Knit for Brains. Welcome to my channel. I'm back home from our big, amazing adventure through the Panama Canal on a cruise ship from Los Angeles to Florida via the Panama Canal, and we spent a week in Nashville. It was amazing. We're now back home. My throat's a little, but I think it's just allergies because we were in Nashville and a lot of stuff was blooming. But everybody has been asking me, how does this compare when I get a yarn haul? How does this compare to ice? Do you like this? Have you tried ice? And I was like, you know what? I haven't tried ice. Ice yarn is shipped out of Turkey. I know a lot of people that do them, and I know that you can find it like on Etsy and different places like that. And I happened to see something pop through that was from ice while I was gone, and I thought, okay, let's give it a shot. So I placed an order for some ice. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, shipping is not going to be your friend. I'm just going to tell you because it has to go through customs. They're very nice in their emails to you. You know, it'll say, please, understand that we ship by cargo companies. We're coming out of Turkey and, whatever. Please be nice. Okay. So, but the yarn itself is like screaming cheap. And when you look at a lot of the companies like, I don't know, Lion Brand Yarn, Premier Yarns, maybe even We Crochet, I'm not sure. But I know, for instance, like Lion Brand comes out of Turkey. Premier Yarn comes out of Turkey. So I think a lot of this stuff comes from Turkey, and then they just slap their labels onto it. So I ordered some stuff. We're going to take a look at it. This was called, I think this was a Magic Light Rainbow. I don't know if this was the one or not. Yes, it is. It is Magic Light Rainbow. So I got this guy here. I'll open it up carefully because I'm going to try to re-sign this. So while I was on the trip, why did I get these? Let me tell you. While I was on the trip, ooh, it had a weird, that squeaky feel, There's no real scent to it. Doesn't smell terribly. I mean, it smells like industrial-ish, but it's not bad. It has kind of a squeaky feel to it. That, like, sometimes, and y'all know what I'm talking about because people have gone like, oh my God, I thought it was just me. Where you almost feel like you can't breathe, like you have to kind of, right? So it kind of has that feel to it. All right, so I digress. A friend of mine posted on Facebook a picture of the Afghan from, remember the show Roseanne? And it was draped across the back of the couch. And she was like, I always dreamed of having this Afghan. I'm like, had I known, hello? Because, I mean, it's just a basic granny square Afghan. And then it has a black trim. I'll have to look it up to be sure. But that same day, I saw this yarn on sale. And I thought, okay, let's take a look at it. So I got all of these different colors. And I'm just going to go for it. They're all variegated. Oh, that's going to kill me. I can't explain it. Somebody said that there was like sometimes a treatment that they put on yarn that makes it kind of like squeaky. It doesn't feel greasy on your fingers. It's not something that leaves behind, but when you touch it, and it almost kind of makes a squeaky noise. Kind of hear that? And sometimes I'm like, I have to breathe. Comment below if you know what I'm talking about. This is kind of giving me that vibe, but it's 100% acrylic yarn. It kind of feels like it could be a cotton. It kind of feels like a cotton. This is a weight of a 3. Okay, so it's called Magic Light. It's GSE textile, so it goes through all the right things. It doesn't smell bad, and it's not crunchy. It is soft. Juan, the yarn addict, he calls the yarn crunchy. It's not crunchy. But it does have that weird texture. Hoping that I can get past it. It is, of course, made in Turkey, but this is at Ice Yarns. So I ended up getting 4 skeins of this. Do you want to know the price? $5.99 for 4 skeins. And it came in a bulk pack. I think you could buy them individually, but it was cheaper to buy it this way. So 4 skeins, that's $6. Y'all, that's less than $1 a skein. So I'm not hating that at all. What I am hating is the shipping. So I don't know that I'm going to do this again. we'll just have to wait and see. But everybody swears by it. You always see, I know Juan, the Yarn Addict, has ordered stuff from them. Crystal from Blvd Crochet has ordered things from them. So we'll just wait and see. But anyways, this is called Magic Light Rainbow. And it is very pretty, and the colors are very, very vibrant. So I got these four for $5.99. I got these guys. Let's try with this one. This is called Big Bang. Orange, pink, green shades, and purple. So I got this one. This is a weight of a 4. Ooh. I didn't recognize that. Oops. I like to keep my yarn weights the same, but let's give it a try. Let's give it a look-see and see. So this doesn't have as much of that squeaky feel going on, so that's promising. No, definitely it doesn't. This is a weight of a 4. Oh, it's also 100% acrylic. It's also a Big Bang. This was Magic Light, right? Okay, so this is 100% acrylic. It is 360 meters and 100 grams. 360 meters, so that comes out to, well, 12, 13, 14, 1,300 or something like that. 1,400 for all of this. This guy here is 200 meters, so a little bit less because it's a thicker weight yarn. Also 100 grams. This is a weight of a 4. This is called Big Bang. Okay. No smell. Actually, even less. That one had just the slightest smell to it. This one doesn't have any smell. And it is very pretty. So I got 4 skeins of this guy for $5.99. I'm just going to do a bunch of granny squares, variegated, all different colors. We'll see. We'll see how that magic works up. Because it's kind of, I just was going with different colors, you know, because an Afghan, she just wants something that's going to be fun and funky. So I got 4 skeins of this, $5.99. $5.99 for these. That's less than $1 a piece. Then I got this guy. Aha! All right, so these are also magic. So this is my outlier. And this is the one that everything is going to go together with. I have an outlier. That's okay. I'm okay with that. So this one here, 4 skeins. This is the anti-pilling magic. And these are colors of green, cream, yellow, and blue. Okay, so this guy doesn't have that squeaky feeling, thank God. Whoa. I'm going to suffocate. I'm only going to suffocate on 4 skeins. The skein's a little bit messy, but I think it's just this one skein. Okay, there's no information on this label at all, y'all. No information at all. Just says ice yarns. These other ones do. These others have stuff on them. Oh, well, yes, it does. It does. So what does it tell me here? It gives me a phone number. That's good. Made in Turkey. But it doesn't give me any of the weight measurements on here. That's a little bit disappointing. I like the colors. Again, 4 skeins. Now this 4 skeins of this was $6.99. This was the expensive stuff, y'all. Still doesn't give me the information. Does not tell me. It tells me that it's a weight of a 4. This one didn't tell me that. Okay. So this one. So 2 of them gives me my information on the skein right here. But these 2 don't. So I have no idea what this one is. Just not super impressed with that. This one doesn't give me any information at all. This one at least does. It's 100% premium acrylic, 100 grams, 250 meters, and it is a weight of a 4. So this one is complete. I don't know if these are like mill-ins or what those are, but it says it's anti-pilling, but they all kind of feel the same way. This one feels the same as this one, but it doesn't say that this is anti-pilling, so I don't know. But, so this was $6.99 for 4 skeins. This is the expensive stuff. Still not much more, right? So instead of it being $6 for 4 skeins, it is $7 for 4 skeins. wait for the kicker at the end. So I got those two. And I got that one. Here's the last one that I got. So I ended up getting 16 skeins. 16 skeins. This one here is also the Magic Anti-Pilling Blues shades in green, camel, and cream. Now, the problem is that these are weights of 4. The other Magic that I got is a weight of a 3. But, ooh, that has a little bit of industrial smell to it. I mean, not bad. It's not like I've had some yarns that I've gotten from Amazon that I know came from China, and I had to gas it. One I had to gas off for like 2 weeks. It was horrible. Absolutely horrible. But I would have tossed it, except I needed it for a really big, I was making a hand knit heart for Valentine's Day, so I needed it. Whoa, it was awful. Anyways, so this is a weight of a 4, 100% premium acrylic, 100 grams, 250 meters. So they're all a little different. They are all a little different. This one gives me 200 meters and a weight of a 4, 100 grams. This one gives me 250 meters with a weight of a 4. Okay, it kind of has a cottony feel to it. It doesn't feel, but it's not like crunchy. It's soft in a weird cottony way. This is going to be interesting to work up. I'm glad I'm doing all of these on one project. It's going to be a big blanket. And I'm probably going to use all my weights of 4s together, so I know what I'm working with. All right. So each one of these, so getting back to it, this one, 4 skeins, $5.99. This one, Big Bang Orange Pink Shades of Purple. This is probably, I think, my favorite of all of them. And this one is Big Bang Orange Pink and Green Shades of Purple. This was $5.99 for 4 skeins. That's great. This guy here was the Anti-Pilling Shades of Cream. So they were slightly different. This is Anti-Pilling Green Shades, Cream, Yellow, and Blue. And this was $6.99 for the 4, for a pack, a 1-pack, right? And then this one is 4 of the Magic Anti-Pilling. So the same as this one. Oops, just popped out of there. The same as this one, just different shades. Okay. This one, oh, I might have gotten those wrong on the colors, but you get the hang. This is green shades, cream, yellow, and blue. I think that's this one. This one is blue shades with green, camel, and cream. I think that's what that is. And this was also $6.99. So these 16 skeins here, okay, cost a total of $25.96. Bonus, bingo, that's a great. So for 16 skeins for $25, it's really good. Here's the kicker. Shipping. Express. And let me tell you, I looked for slow boat from China. There was no other type of shipping except express. $27.95. So that came to a total of $53.91. Now, you can look at it 2 ways. You can go, I got 16 skeins of yarn for $53, which is a lot. Or you can go, wow, what a great deal. I don't mind paying the shipping. So, will I order from Express Yarns again? Or Ice Yarns again, rather? I don't think so. Probably not. Probably not. I've seen you can get ice on Etsy. And I think you might be able to get it on Amazon. I'm going to look around because I might end up liking the yarn. I just don't like paying ship. I do not like paying for shipping. I would much rather get a little bit extra so that I get shipping for free. I'd rather get more product than paying for shipping. And I get that it has to go through customs and blah, blah, blah. And it's nice. But honestly, for the extra cost, there are beautiful, beautiful yarns here. Lion Brand, We Crochet, Premier yarns, all of them, where you can get free shipping or close to free shipping, rather than paying that. So, and I'm getting acrylic yarn. If I was getting like my Italian cashmere haul that I did, that's a different story, because those yarns are gorgeous. Those yarns are high-end, beautiful, prestigious yarns. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it was a yarn haul. I said, what was I thinking? I'll try to post a link below. That I could see. But this, and I'm sorry, you guys, I know a lot of people get yarn from Ice and all that kind of stuff. There isn't, as far as I could find, there isn't an option for free shipping. You're going to pay for shipping no matter what, and it's not going to be cheap. I paid more for shipping than I paid for the yarn. Oh, the Brett is going to kill me when he sees this. He's going to kill me. Just know, my love, when you see this, that it's a gift. I am giving it to somebody. So basically it's $53. I'm going to be shipping it off to Nashville, giving it to somebody for Christmas. If you're watching this video, don't watch this video. And I have the other skeins that I can take care of here. So anyways, that was my first and probably last haul from Ice Yarns. Because is it worth it? I don't know. I don't think so. I mean, it's beautiful. It's really beautiful, and I'm excited that I got some. Finally, I got on the ice train. But I think I'm going to be getting off at the next stop, to be totally honest with you. I think it was a one-stop shop for Kimberly. Anyways, there you go. That's my take on it. That's my Ice Yarn haul, and then we'll see how it goes. So this is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. If you like this video, if you like what I'm doing, I do tutorials, I do reviews, honest reviews. I do whips, we do lives, we do a whole bunch of really fun stuff, and I got some really exciting news coming up, so definitely stay tuned for that. But all you have to do is just hit that like and subscribe button, or just subscribe so that you get all the notifications. It's free to you, but this way at least you know when I'm coming, right? Also, we have a really vibrant, and it's growing very fast, the Facebook page, which is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. I post free patterns on there, either that I found or some that I've made. I am a struggling pattern writer. This is something that is new for me. I've been looking at pictures and just going with the flow for the last 5 or 6 years. I finally started having to put pen to paper because people are like, oh my gosh, how do you make that? I don't know. So I'm not great at pattern writing yet, and I'm looking for pattern testers. And if you're interested in that, I'll be posting patterns and looking for testers on that Facebook page, Kimberly with Knit for Brains. Over there, you can post your finished works. You can have everybody cheer and applaud and yay and send you kisses and love and encouragement. If you have questions, if you're in the middle of a project and you're looking for ideas or inspiration or whatever, go there, because it's a real dynamic group. Everyone's joining and chiming in, and it's a lot of fun. Sales that are coming up that I know that are happening with Lions Brand or We Crochet or Premier Yarn or anything like that, or Furls crochet hooks, or Oh Fire crochet hooks. I'm going to be posting all that information on the community tab of the YouTube page, but also on the Facebook page. So that way, you know everything that's coming down the pike, because I'm all about saving money and getting the best deals I possibly can. And of course, I'm going to pass that on to you. So that's it for today. This was my Ice Yarn haul. It's probably going to be my one and done. I think I'm probably going to have to say no on this one. But, you know, I'm glad I gave it a look-see, glad I gave it a try. I decided to take the ice bath, and I'm probably not going to do that from now on. Anyways, this is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. Join me, won't you? Please. Love to see you here on my YouTube channel and over on the Facebook page. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you soon.